Test out, and we are going to fix this problem here. So our task says initialize all the new disks using the GPT file system and create the editing volume E as a stripped volume radio using all of the space on disks 1 and 2. Create the media volume M as a mirrored volume with 1 using all of the space on disks 3 and 4. So first off, we have to start up our PC. We'll wait for it to initialize. Alright, our PC started, so we'll go to Start, right click, and we'll go to Disk Management. Yeah, Disk Management is open, so it's asking us once we initialize what partition style system are we going to use. We are going to make use of GPT. GPT is a more recent partition style. MBR is older, it doesn't support more than 2 terabytes, which makes GPT the preferred option here. So click OK. Alright, all our disks are initialized. We have disks 1, 2, 3, and 4. So for stacks, we've done that, which is to initialize a new disk using the GPT partition style. And the second option, second tag, says create the editing volume E as a stripped volume radio using all of the space on disk 1 and disk 2. So we right click on disk 1 and then we go to stripped volume. Click next and then it will bring this. Disk 1 is already selected here because the tag says disk 1 and disk 2. So going to select these two and click add, and it says use all of the space, using all of the space on disk 1 and 2, so we ensure that all of the space is being used. We have 827,680 megabytes, the same figure here, 827,680 is the same figure here, so we've used all of the space there. So we'll go ahead and click next. And for drive letter, it says create the editing volume E. So we'll scroll down and we'll select E and we'll click next. Alright, so for these we have NTFS, which stands for New Technology File System, which is a better and newer form of file system, better security, larger file size, larger file allocation size. So this is what we're going to stick with. Allocation size will still stick with the default size. And for the volume, we are to name it from our tag say, we are to name it editing. So we go ahead and type in editing here, and alright, so we'll go ahead and click next and next. So the operation is selected, we convert all of the selected basic disks, dynamic disks. If you convert the disk to dynamic, you will not be able to start install operating system for volume. You click yes. and you can see that we have editing, stripped volume here, and this is the color of a stripped volume. It has a shade of green. So that is it for stripped volume. So the next tag says create the media volume M as mirrored volume rate 1 using all of the space on disks 3 and 4. Go ahead and right click on disk 3, and it's going to be a mirrored volume. So we look for mirrored volume, click on mirrored volume, click on next, and disk 3 is already selected, so we'll go ahead and select disk 4. We're going to add it, and then all of the volumes are selected, so we have to use all of the space on the disk, so all of the space on the disk is being used. So we go ahead and click next, and the volume is to be letter M. Let's to assign it M, and then click next. And we'll maintain NTFS file system default allocation size, and the label will be media, and click on next. Finish. To ask, give you this warning, just go ahead and click yes. And you can see that the mirrored volume is brown. You can see that this is brown. So we've completed our task. Let's go ahead and check answers. See, all tasks is complete 100%. So go ahead and score